Today we shall discuss algebraic properties of R. R stands for the set of all real numbers, which is union of all rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. First property, property number 1, A1 means algebraic properties we are discussing means we shall discuss the properties under two binary operation, one is addition, another is multiplication. So, on addition, property number 1, that is commutative. The first property is commutative. So, what is commutative? Commutative property is like this: A plus B is equal to B plus A for all A comma B belong to R. Means you take any two elements of R, A plus B always same as B plus A. You know this thing. Property number 2. Property number 2 is associative. C for commutative, A for associative. There will be always an association, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, bracket on the first two, bracket on the last two are always the same. Of course, it holds for all A, B, C belong to R. You take any three elements of R, first do addition of A and B, what is the result you add with C, the final result you note it. Now you add B with C and then you add with A, the result it will be same as previous, and this is not by chance, this will happen for every ABC belong to R. You take at random any three elements of R. A3 is existence of additive identity. So, we shall write identity, existence of additive identity. What is this? This is there exist an element that is 0 belongs to R such that A plus 0 is equal to A, it will be same as 0 plus A, and it will happen for all A belongs to R. Whatever element you will bring for R, there exists an element that is 0 in R, so that A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. A3, that is additive property number 4. A4, additive property number 4, inverse. Inverse, whatever element you will take from R, for every A belongs to R, they are exist minus A, an element in R, such that the following will happen. What is this? A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A, it will be 0. This is additive property, that is additive inverse property, that is whatever element you will choose from R, for your element there exists an inverse element that will be minus A. For example, if you are taking 2 as element of R, for that there exists minus 2 belongs to R, such that 2 plus or minus 2 it will be same as minus 2 plus 2, it will be your additive identity. So, these are 4 properties: commutative, associative, identity, inverse. In with respect to the binary operation, addition holds on the set of all real number system. So, like this CAII. So, sometimes I will call CAII means chi, CAII, chi. So, chi holds with respect to addition, same chi will hold with respect to multiplication. Same 4 properties, commutative, associative, identity, inverse. This time this will hold with respect to binary operation multiplication. Like this, commutative will be this time A into B is equal to B into A, and of course it will happen for all A B belongs to R. Associative, A into B into C, A into B into C, bracket on the first two, bracket on the last two, always the same for all A B C belong to R. No need to explain. Same thing. Identity, they are exist. This time 1 is an element, it is known as unit element in R. 0 is known as 0 element of R, and this time this 1 is distinct from 0. So, this is called as a unit element, they are exist. 1 belongs to R, that is unit element, for which A into 1 it will be A, which is equal to 1 into A, of course for all A belongs to R. This 1 is known as unit element, 0 is known as 0 element, or sometimes we shall call that additive identity, and this is multiplicative identity. Inverse, for inverse, whatever A you will take from R, that is, let me call A which is non-zero element in R. For this there exist an element that is 1 upon A belongs to R, such that this thing will happen. A into 1 by A, it will be 1, which is equal to 1 by A into A. So, whatever non-zero element you will take, its inverse element will exist with respect to multiplication operation. D1, distributive. Distribution of addition, we can say distribution of multiplication over addition. This is the property A into B plus C, it will be A into B plus A into C, and another, this is left distributive, another is right distributive, that is B plus C into A, it will be B into A plus C into A. Of course, it will hold for all A, B, C belong to R. This is known as distribution of multiplication over addition. So, algebraic properties. Algebraic means that is two binary operations, one is addition, another is multiplication. Addition is denoted by plus, multiplication is denoted by dot, and another common operation, that is addition and multiplication both. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 properties on addition, 4 properties, same 4 properties on multiplication, and another is common property, that is distribution of multiplication over addition. So, this is commutative, associative, identity, inverse, chi. Commutative, associative, identity, inverse. So, chi into chi we shall denote as chi square, chi square, chi square, and this is known as distribution. Distribution of multiplication over addition, both it should be both left distributive as well as right distributive. So, these are the algebraic properties of R. As we are seeing a human being for the first time, we want their introduction. Some of the human beings stranger for us, and after that we need their introduction. After the introduction, definitely we need their some of the characteristics or their properties. So, like that, if you know R very well, then we want its properties. Like that, if you want the properties of human being, like how that human being whether kind or not, whether his behavior is good or not, or what he does actually, so what is the profession, everything else we want to know. So, if you know the everything, entire thing about that human being, so you will be attached with that human being. So, that is why mathematicians are very interested to know about the real number system with respect to their properties. So, we want to know the algebraic properties of R. So, two operations, addition for chi and multiplication same for chi, and another is common property, that is distributive. So, total 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9 properties we have to remember. So, by these 9 properties we shall derive so many extraordinary properties of R in the next video. Thank you.